How to load a dishwasher by Special Needs Pro. In this video, you will learn how to rinse dishes in the sink, which items to place on the top rack, which items to place at the bottom rack, the sequence of steps when loading the dishwasher.
Once you're done eating, collect all of your dishes and take them to the sink. Place dirty dishes in the sink. Open the dishwasher door all the way to the bottom. Then pull out the top rack. Start rinsing the small items such as the cups. Glasses and cups should go on the top rack. Next, rinse any bowls or small containers that you may have. They will go on the top rack as well. Once you're finished loading the top rack, push it back all the way in. Then you pull out the bottom rack all the way out. Next, you can start rinsing the silverware. Place them in a basket at the bottom. When rinsing a knife, make sure to hold it by the handle. The blade should be facing down when placed in the basket. Finish rinsing all the silverware used. Last, rinse your large items such as plates. Make sure to remove all the food and use a sponge if needed. Place large items such as plates, pots, and pans at the bottom rack. Once you're done, push it all the way back in, close the dishwasher door, and all done.
In this video, we learned cups, glasses, and small bowls go on the top rack. Plates, pots, and pans go on the bottom rack. Silverware go in a basket at the bottom rack. Dirty dishes need to be rinsed before they go in the dishwasher.
And now, a last tip to increase independent functioning is the use of an adapted plate to improve scooping when eating. White plates also provide a better contrast, allowing the person to identify if the plates have been properly rinsed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.